Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about gearbox. This is a gearbox. It is found in standing fan. Every fan has a gearbox. What is the responsibility of a gearbox? A gearbox is a part of electric fan that helps in the changing of direction of every electric fan. This is an example of a gearbox. You see a standing fan, one of its gearbox look exactly like this. This is a medium gearbox. We can have another, you can see it in this form, whereby it is having the push button at the top, like this. In this type of gearbox, you tight the push button with a screw, and we can as well have it like this as well, just like this. If you notice, this one here has no the design is not like the first one. In this one, you just put the push button rather than tightening it. Here you don't tight in this one, and we have the switch being mounted at the top. So this is another type of gearbox, and you can as well have the gearbox in this form. This is another form of gearbox. You can as well have another gearbox in this form as well. In this, it is being controlled with with rope. This kind of gearbox is majorly found on fan being hanged on the wall. So this is another type of gearbox. Just like I said, gearbox helps in changing of direction of a fan. Yes, changing of the direction, that is right to the left or left to right, depending. So that is the function of a gearbox, and it's majorly, most times it is used, you use what we call gear rod to tighten up the gearbox. This is an example of a gear rod. Maybe this is a gear rod, just like this one inside here. Yes, this is a gear rod, and most times you tight the gear rod on the stand, just like this one. This is an example of this leg stand. So this is an example of a gear rod. You tie this gear rod, and you tight it at bottom of this. You ensure it goes inside here. You tight it with a screw here. So majorly today I just discussing about gearbox. Most times, just like I said, it helps in changing of fan direction, of the fan direction, that is left to right or right to left, depending.